responsive. The noise, a little bit more noise. And to be honest with you, I wish it was louder. I wish it did it more often. Like, I can't even hear it right now. Sometimes when you're slowing down, you can kind of hear a little bit of a whine. It sounds awesome. It sounds kind of like race car-ish, you know. I wish it was louder. So I don't know if I should have went with the solid mount or something stiffer. I love that sound of like race cars, a little bit. I don't think you can hear it, but I'm just really impressed with it. It is slight though. It's not a super. It's not this crazy like, oh, like I was thinking it was going to be a little bit better, you know, like a little bit like, oh, like huge difference, but it's not. It's better. It's definitely better. You can tell, you can feel it, but it's not like, oh, mind-blowing shifting, you know. But the car does feel quicker now like this. I don't know, something about it. It's really cool. So that's probably the next video. If I might have to go to like some shop and ask if they got any pieces of wrap that I can have, just or order some off Amazon. That's probably what's gonna happen. Is just probably get some off Amazon. Mixed reviews on the wrap on Amazon, so I'm not sure. But well, that's the plan. I love the setup of all these parts. It's a pretty improvement over stock. I mean, definitely improvement. It's totally worth it. I mean, none of those parts are really that expensive. I got the Pitch Stop Mount, the Rally Sport Direct. It was like a Black Friday sale for like Perrin. It was a really good deal, so I just grabbed that, and then other small parts, you know, like the Bushings and the Whiteline Bushings, and the Group N was at the dealership. I actually got that for only like $60. Even on Amazon, it's like 70, 80 bucks. So I don't know why, but that dealership by my house where I bought this car actually always has good deals on like the OEM parts. I'm not sure why. I got something else there that was cheap. I'm trying to remember what it was. It just like there's like no hesitation. It just kind of goes. Like it's weird, and it definitely feels faster. I could see if you were like commuting and you're like on the freeway, it would bug you, but it does it so like intermittently, like not so much all the time, that it's welcomed, you know. You kind of want to hear it. I want to hear it. I want to hear it more. I love it. The shifts are more precise. It's quicker between gears. The power's there like way faster. I mean, it's not a huge difference, you know, like mind blowing, like, whoa, holy crap, this is so awesome, you know. It's a little bit subtle, you know. I mean, I think it's amazing though. I love how it sounds. But that is annoying when you're in traffic and, you know, like stop and go traffic, and you're sitting there and you're trying to like, you got a manual transmission and you're sitting there going like really slow, and your car starts going, you can't stand that. So I think it might have fixed that, because I haven't noticed it yet. It seemed like how slow I was going, like 1 mile per hour, it would have started doing that, but it didn't. So